Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Insider Financial Talks Penny Stocks. Before we get into today's discussion, I just want to do a few housekeeping issues. We are not financial advisors. This is not investment advice. We have no position in any of the stocks mentioned. We have no business relationship with any company whose stock is mentioned in this video. We always say you must do your own research, make your own investment decisions, consult a financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is meant for informational and educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. With that out of the way, hello, I am Alex Carlson, the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and today we are going to be talking about one stock and one stock only, and that is the talk of basically the entire market. You could say penny stock, but I think everyone is talking about this stock, TSNP, on the OTC markets. Our subscribers, some had gains as much as 4,300% when it hit over 3 cents. We issued an alert just right here at 0008 last week. This has just been a tremendous runner. The story and the background, what's going on here is TSNP is a clean shell, and it is merging with Humble, HUMBL. We covered it, we covered it for our readers. We covered it first for our subscribers. Our subscribers always get first look. Our readers got it on November 13th. This merger is a really big deal, with a lot of investors talking about SPACs on the NYSE and NASDAQ. George Sharp, who's a consultant on the OTC markets for a few pubcos. He's best known as a microcap fraud crusader. He's got a pretty good reputation. He hates pump and dumps, and he really wants to clean up the OTC markets, and we welcome that. And the proof is in the pudding. When you do the right thing, there's a lot of money to be made. And we're seeing this happen with TSNP. So jumping around here, we'll give you a little description of what the merger is about. See, Humble is a mobile apps payment company. The CEO, Brian Foote, he says, we didn't build Humble for the 450 million digital customers using Apple Pay, but for the 7 billion people for whom money has a totally different set of global pathways, access points, and cost structures. Now, he has been flagged by Forbes as an up-and-coming entrepreneur. Humble has been, Forbes called Humble one of the startups to watch. So there's a lot of buzz about this company, and this is indeed an exciting deal on the OTC markets. Humble is established. The Humble Network has offices in San Diego, Mexico, Miami, and Singapore. It has created a network of regional affiliates. The merger that is happening, it's an all-stock transaction. Tesoro, the surviving entity, will be renamed Humble Inc. They're already filing with FINRA for the change issue of Tesoro's name and symbol. What else is going on here? Oh, Brian M. Foote. Here we have news here. He's locked up over $10 million worth of stock purchased directly out of the market. The company is also retiring over 551 million shares. So these guys they're making all the right moves, and that's important. And to understand penny stocks, when you have a great story, which Humble is, and then you get management and the board making the right moves that are very shareholder friendly, you're going to get a runner, and that is what we're seeing with Humble right now. So digging deeper here, as we said, the bio of CEO Brian Foote is pretty impressive. It says here he brings with him 20 years of consumer technology experience, having launched a number of top-ranked global technology products at companies like Epson, where he was twice named to the Innovators Team Award for his work across merchant partners such as Amazon, Walmart, Costco, Target, and Best Buy. Humble is comprised of team members from companies from Western Union, MoneyGram, Visa, American Express, Epson, Microsoft, Facebook, and Qualcomm. Here is some team members, so it's the real deal, and that's extremely important. We're also looking here. They have signed deals. They're putting its mobile technology solutions to work in Africa with one kiosk. The company is working on Fortune 500 partnerships and was featured by the UN 2030 agenda. Humble has entered the Indian market with Digital India Payments Limited, DIPL. DIPL processes millions of dollars per day in financial and retail transactions across 30,000 merchant locations in India, with extensions into Nepal, Bangladesh, Maldives, Myanmar, and Sri Lanka. There's going to be a call on December 9th to discuss the merger. We will be on that call and updating our subscribers after it's over. Now, what ended up happening, we got this tremendous run here. I mean, you see, it started here, on the 6th. We had one red day, green, 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 and then you get this big red candle here. And, there was a lot of people, on the iHub message board freaking out, going, what's going on? Well, look, let's put it in perspective. We were one of the first. We came out and for our subscribers, we told them straight out, you have to take some money off the table. I mean, you're sitting on, a move, some 1,000 gains, 2,000, depending on when they bought in. But, you have to book profits. You need to take some money off the table. You can't get greedy in penny stocks. And this red day was just simply, the momentum got exhausted, and there was more selling than buying, and supply and demand. When you have more sellers than buyers, the price goes down. And then yesterday, after people sort of regrouped, assessed the situation, realized that everything's still on track and is a go, they came in and bought the dip, and that's the way markets work. Markets go up, markets go down. Nothing ever goes up in a straight line, but this is as close to a straight line as you're going to get. So, again, if let's say you put $1,000 in, at 0008, it runs up to 3.5 cents. I mean, you're looking at almost $40,000. In profits. I mean, you have to take some money off the table. It's that simple. So this is what we updated yesterday. We wanted to stress that don't panic. That that there is still plenty of opportunity, and it will trade. So when you want to book some profits, sell when it comes back down. Buy the dips. Let's see what else we got here. This talks about the merger, and we outlined 10 reasons here to be bullish. The company just retired 551 million shares, Anytime an OTC is retiring shares is a good sign. Likewise, Brian Foote agreed to convert over 318 million shares recently purchased by him out of the retail market to a new class of preferred shares. He is playing the long game with TSNP. Now, we still haven't seen the financials for Humble, and we're waiting for that. So, there's still more due diligence to be done, but everything is looking good, and they are doing all the right things. Again, it does help. George Sharp has been talking about it. He's been very vocal on Twitter. We highly recommend you give him a follow. He has been updating the latest on TSNP. He's been saying that there's going to be press releases coming. He's anticipating Tuesdays and Thursdays, 2 a week, which is huge. An OTC that puts out 2 press releases a week is really what the Bulls need to keep the momentum going and bring in new buyers. Going over here, let's see what else we got here. As we said, we believe exciting times are coming. Next stop is a nickel, then we could see a dime, a quarter, and finally dollars. We really think, TSNP has been the biggest runner this year. We think this run is set to continue into next year. And we are hoping that there's many more deals like this that deliver 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000% returns and higher. We're used to the triple digit runners, 100, 200, 300%, but when you get a 10, 20, 30, 40 bagger, this is what this is what buys houses. This is not about paying your mortgage. This buys you a house. So we are going to be on top of this. We're looking for more picks like TSNP. To get on our list, go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. We will be always updating our subscribers. We thank you for listening and watching. Remember to hit the subscribe button and also the notifications bell so that you'll be notified when we bring a new video. And we want to wish everyone the best of luck. Also, with next week, a happy Thanksgiving. Going to be a shortened trading week, but we wish everyone a happy Thanksgiving. Stay safe, and protect your loved ones in this trying time from COVID. Best of luck, and let's all make some money. Take care. Bye bye.